Operating instructions for the Tommygate G2 series. Before operating any Tommygate hydraulic lift, be sure to thoroughly read the corresponding owner's manual. All Tommygate owner's manuals are available at tommygate.com. Liftgate operations. To open the platform, go to the driver's side of the vehicle and push the latch from the platform pin. Then rotate the latch down. Proceed to the passenger side of the vehicle and remove the latch padlock. Push the latch off the platform pin while pulling the platform open. Be sure to stand clear of the platform and all moving parts when using the lift. Activate the control and lower the platform. After using the lift, raise the platform to the level of the vehicle's floor. Close the platform and folding extension if so equipped. The latch on the passenger side will secure itself. Reinstall the latch padlock, turn the control power off, and go to the driver's side to secure the opposing latch. Control operations. To turn the control power on, press the power switch once. It is marked with white rings and is located between the Tommygate logo and the toggle switch. The amber LED power light should turn on when the control is armed. To activate the liftgate, press the hidden liftgate activated button twice within 1 second. It is covered by the Tommygate logo on the control. The red liftgate activated light should turn on when the liftgate is activated. To lower the platform, hold the toggle switch down. To raise the platform, hold the toggle switch up. To disarm the control, press the power switch again. After the liftgate is activated, operators have approximately 90 seconds to use a liftgate. If the liftgate is not used during the 90-second time frame, the safety timer deactivates the control. For more information, please contact Tommygate customer service at 1-800-LIFTGATE.